look at adding decimals. Now you've probably added decimals already and you just didn't realize it. Like if you're at the store and you're buying something, or you want to get candy and you're trying to figure out if you have enough, money is a decimal. So you've got experience with it. We're just going to look at it in putting it in an equation. So there are a couple steps that I like to remember to add decimals. The first step is to stack your numbers by lining up the decimal points. That's the really, really important one. Your decimal points have to be in line with each other. So if you have the problem 41 and 62 hundredths plus 6 and 85 hundredths, we're going to stack up our numbers. So we're going to put them on top of each other like we would with the regular addition problem. But the key right here is you have to line up your decimal points. So in 6 and 85 hundredths, I'm going to go ahead and put my decimal down. I'm going to line up by the decimal. So the 6 is in the ones place, so I'm going to put it underneath the ones place. And then we have 85 hundredths. So I lined it up by my decimal point. That's the really, really, really important step in adding decimals. So we've stacked and lined up our decimal points. Now our second step is to fill in any zeros. So if you have any empty spaces in your problem, like right here is an empty space, we're going to fill in a 0. And that's just kind of going to hold our place so we know, hey, there's nothing in this column. If it was in the decimal area, you would fill in a 0 to help you keep track and keep your place values lined up. And then, after we've stacked and lined up our decimal points and we've filled in our zeros, our third step is to add. And we've got lots of experience adding because you've been doing it for a couple years now, so this should be the easy part. So we're just going to add, moving from our smallest place value over. So we're starting with our hundredths place, so 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 8 is 14, and just like in a regular addition problem, you're going to put your 4 down because it's in the ones place, and you're going to carry the tens place over to the next column. Now 1 plus 1 and 6, we have 8, and 4 plus 0 is 4. But we're not finished yet. See how our decimals are right on top of each other in our original problem? We're going to carry that decimal down into our answer. So our answer is 48 and 47 hundredths.